Welcome to The Bite. I'm Peyton, your host, and this is Holly, our guest. What are we going to be making?
We're going to be making caramel, and we're going to show you the fine tips of simmering. Again, I'm Holly. I'm going to show you just some of the differences that we picked one ingredient over the other. Butter is a whole product, natural product. We used it instead of margarine because we wanted the flavor to be a creamy consistency. We used a brown sugar over a white sugar because there's flavor in the brown. We hope this will make a big difference in our caramel. Thanks. We'll be back with you. Well, we've melted our butter over low heat. Now we're turning it up to a medium-high heat, and we're going to go ahead and add our sugar, our half and half. That is 2 1/4 cups of light brown sugar. This is 2 cups of half and half, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. Once we get this mixture all together and combined, we're going to cook it over medium heat and bring it to a simmer. And we're going to let that simmer until this candy thermometer registers 248 degrees. We'll be back with you. Did you start?
It's going.
Our caramel's finally at a simmer. We're watching it closely so that when the temperature is 248 degrees, we're going to pull it off the heat, add the vanilla, and put it into our prepared pans. One of the pans we've lined with pecans and parchment paper, and the other pan just parchment. Then once the caramel has set up, we can flip it out and cut it with a buttered knife into 1-inch squares to make easy work of it. Turn it off. Thank you. Push it. There it is. Okay, we've finally gotten to 248 degrees. So we're going to quickly remove our thermometer, throw that aside.
And then we're going to add the vanilla.
Whisk that quickly in. Whew. That. Since this is so hot, I'm a little scared pouring it into the pans. I'm just going to ladle it over the pecans.
Into our ready-made pans.
And that way you're not getting a bunch of movement from the pecans in the bottom of the pan.
Wow. Can you see that?
Burn your hand.
I don't.
And here's the other pan.
Yeah, I'll make this.
Let me just scooch it over here. Ladle this in. Then we'll even them out to make sure that there's about the same amount of ladles in each one. Well, our parchment lined pan, there we go. Okay, now once these set up, we'll be able to cut them into 1-inch squares with a buttered knife. Okay.
Thanks for watching The Bite. Enjoy!
Thanks.